If you're running out of iCloud storage or want to manage it better, I'll show you exactly how to upgrade and free up space on your iPhone step by step. First, open iCloud settings, and for that, go to your settings app, then tap on your name at the top. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, check your storage. Tap on Manage Storage or iCloud Storage to see what's taking up space. Next, upgrade your iCloud plan. If you need more space, tap on Upgrade to iCloud Plus. Then, choose a storage plan like 50 GB, 200 GB, or 2 TB. Then, confirm with your Face ID or your passcode. After that, manage what's backing up. Go back to the Manage Storage menu and tap on Backups. Then choose your device. After that, turn off backups for apps you don't need. You can also delete old backups from other devices. Next, free up iCloud space. Delete large files, old messages, and photos you don't need. Just make sure to back up anything important first. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.